Hello, what is up everyone? Our L57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today looks like we have the Nissan Z in the Proto Spec Ikazuchi yellow. And as you can see, yes, this is the Nissan 400Z that many of us Mini GT fans have been waiting for such a long time because of its delay of the car. I have no idea why it delayed its launch. I mean, Mini GT did say it was available for pre-order, but I don't normally pre-order on their website or online. I normally see it in the store, and when I do, I go buy it. And if I don't, then I'll just wait. And turns out they did release this quite late. I am not sure it is due to some shipping problem or they had to recall the casting. I do not know, but yeah, this is the Nissan Z and we have it today, number 415 up of everything from Mini GT, I guess. And yeah, let's go ahead and check this casting out. So here it is, the 1/64 scale Mini GT Nissan Z or 400Z, or also known as the Nissan Z Proto. And yes, this is in the Ikazuchi yellow. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, Ikazuchi or Ikazuchi. I am not 100% sure, but yes, this is the Nissan Z in its original form and color. And obviously, as you already can tell, well, this car I don't think it is available for production, but yeah, it's there's still some issues. There are some recalls for this car, so I'm not 100% sure whether it's coming here coming to the world or not yet. But yes, this is the 1/64 version, and basically before Mini GT has done it, Hot Wheels has done it, Matchbox has done it with their premium line, like the RLC type of Matchbox line, and then what other brands have done? Azurite went in too late, I guess, with their tune-up Series 3. I have the Series 3 tune-ups, by the way. They had the Nissan Z in it actually, but still, that Series 3, well, they haven't released the actual Nissan Z in its original color, so I wouldn't really consider that. Siku has not done it yet, but I know this, was it Kyosho? I don't remember. There was another brand that made this 400Z. Oh yeah, Tomica. Yes, Tomica. Tomica did do one, but it wasn't in 1/64. I think it was in 1/57 scale, if I'm not mistaken. So a bit bigger. But yeah, this is the 1/64 scale. Obviously, this is it has to be 1/64, right? Especially when it comes to Mini GT, they won't go wrong with this. But you might never know. Let's take a look at the casting itself. So yeah, like I said, Ikazuchi yellow right here, and as you can see on the side, you have that classic 240Z type of design right there, but obviously it has been modified, especially this part right here. You have the two-tone color where you have the yellow at the bottom and black for the roof, and as you can see, there's some more black right here with some gray trim right here, right on top of the door. I mean the side window, and yeah, basically on top of the fuel cap right there. Yeah, you have some bronze wheels. Yeah, for some reason Hot Wheels with their main line in Ikazuchi yellow, they had the chrome bronze wheels for some reason, but this one just follows everything out, and they have their dark brownish bronze wheels, which is pretty cool and is pretty accurate as well. You have tiny door mirrors, which is in black right there, as you can see on both sides. Obviously, you have a blacked out roof, you have some transparent windshield, of course. You have a gray interior, as you can see right there. I'm not sure if it's gray or black, should be gray. And then yeah, moving on to the front, you have the headlights right there. Let me just show you there. I'm not sure if you can see, yeah, you can see the Nissan logo right there. I'm not sure if you have glare or not. Yeah, you have the huge black rectangular front grille right there. Looks pretty great, not gonna lie. Pretty accurate compared to the Hot Wheels Car Culture one. And then moving on to the back, you have the rear lights in sort of this red color right there. You have the Nissan logo at the back. Of course, you have some black trim as well. And then lastly, for the license plate, you have Z right there. Yeah, you can see there are two exhaust pipes at the bottom right there. One over here, one over here there. And yes, they are colored in silver, as you can see on the base right there. There it is. Yeah, so yeah, pretty detailed car overall. Moving on to the base, as you can see, it is in matte black, and it says something right here. 2023 Nissan Z, used under license obviously by Nissan, Mini GT, and made in China. And there you go, that is my review of the Nissan Z. There will be no comparisons today, but still, you can go check out my individual reviews of the Hot Wheels Nissan Z from the mainline series, or you want to watch the twin pack Nissan Z, you can go check it out, check that out as well. Or even better, you can go check out the Tomica version that I'm not sure if I did a review about that, but yeah, you can go check those out. If you do like this video, please leave a like. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this car. Pretty nice casting overall. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.